Welcome to the online class. Well, my dear friend, yesterday we have discussed about article writing. Here you see, writing an article is a very simple thing. I have given you that how tips for writing articles. Format. What will be the format? Here you see the format. Format, that will be first of all title. Your title should be short. It should be very short, attractive and cohesive. Cohesive means what? Related to your topic. An article is what? It is a kind of a write-up where important issue, important topics are discussed. You are asked to write articles on certain topics. For that, you are required to write an article. The topic. So the title is what? Either the title or the topic. It should be what? What kind of? It should be short. Short. Number 2. Cohesive. CHO. Cohesive. Attractive. Then come to the attractive. Here you see. These are the 3 aspects that is to hit upon while you are discussing or while you are writing an article. Because you see, writing an article is a very tricky thing, and for that you require certain things, the format. So in the format, the very first thing that you will write about the title. It should be short, it should be cohesive, and it should be attractive. Title. Where you will get the title? It is already given in the question. Title of article is already given. In your question paper, it is generally asked that you are such and such, write an article for your school magazine or for any newspaper. Generally, articles are asked to write for the newspaper and for the school magazine. And you are such and such. So, the first thing you write the title. The next thing that you want to write is about the main body. Number 2, that is introduction. Here is it. Introduction of what? Introduction of the topic. Short introduction of the topic. Short introduction of the topic. Here, you are required to write a very short introduction of the topic that is given to you. Topic number 1 and topic, its impact, its relevance, So, in your introduction, the very first paragraph, that will be the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you will write or introduce the topic. The topic, that is your title. The very first thing, that is the title. Then you start writing. The first paragraph is about introduction. Introduction of what? Introduction of the topic. Topic that is given. Introduction of the topic that is given to you. Then what you will do? You will discuss. You will short introduction. You will write a very short and precise. You are required to write a short and precise introduction of the topic, its impacts and its relevance to the present scenario. Okay? Now, the second paragraph. Come to the second paragraph. Now come to the second paragraph. Second paragraph, that will be the main body. That will be the main body. The second paragraph will be what? It will be main body. Main body of what? Main body of your article. In main body, its large impact, and implementation. Its large impact and implementation is discussed. Can you see? When you are writing about the main body, you further develop. In fact, you are developing the introduction. The topic or the introduction that you have taken up in your writing, you will develop it up. In the main body, that will be development of the topic. The topic will be developed, its large impact, it is implemented, then it is pros and cons, then what are the steps that should be taken. Now the third paragraph. Now come to the third paragraph. That is the conclusion. That is the conclusion. The conclusion of the here suggestions. You are required to write your suggestions, your advice regarding that topic. What step should be taken to make the topic successful or implementable or should be enforced. Now, these are the four aspects. The very first aspect, that is the title. Then what is the introduction? The third, beginning of the writing. First paragraph, that will be introduction. Second paragraph, that will be the main body. And the third paragraph will be conclusion. So dear friend, remember that your article should be at least 200 to 250 words. Word limit. Words. 200 to 250 words. So remember that when you are writing an article, keep it in mind that it should not exceed to 250. It should be less than that. Around 200, 210, 215 is sufficient. Now, come to the next step. what are the steps? What are the steps that is required to be taken for writing an article? Here you see. First of all, coda and kiss. Here are the two important steps, coda and kiss, K-I-S-S, kiss. Now, what is coda and what is kiss? I will make you learn that what is coda and what is kiss. Please note down. These are the two important steps that should be taken for writing an article or any writer. Coda and kiss, these are the very pillars, important base to finish or to complete any of your writings. So let us see what is coda and what is kiss. C for collect the ideas. Here you see, whatever the idea that you have in your mind, dear friend, for writing an article, if you fall short of ideas, you cannot be ever able to write an effective article. What is required? Here it is required that for writing an effective or impactful article, you are required to read magazines, read journals, and read newspapers. Without reading, you will certainly fall short of idea. When you will read, of course, you will have handful of ideas. And when you will have handful of ideas, then you will be able to write anything else. So first of all, collect your idea. After collection, organize it. Organize them. Sequence is very important because content, fluency and accuracy. What comes in fluency? Fluency, that means that the things should be arranged in such a way, whatever the idea that you have collected, take a pencil, note it down, take a pencil. By taking the pencil, you note it down. And by noting it down, what you will do? Which should come first? What are the points that should come in the introduction? What are the points that should be included in the main body? And what are the points that may be included in the conclusion? So, organization, sequence wise you organize it. Then drafting. After, writing comes third. Most of what happened, that you are seasonal writers. In examinations you are asked to write a letter. and just for 2 or 3 days you try to revise some article, and just before the start of the examination, you mentally prepare yourself and reading the question, just without giving a second thought, you start writing articles. Dear friend, this is the biggest mistake that you commit. Why? Because you see, only by looking topics, how could you start writing? What is my suggestion? That whenever you look at the topic, make a rough paper. Make a rough. Rough for what? Write the points. Write the points. Write the points in what? 1, 2, 3, like that. Like that you do, and write those points. Make a rough of those points. And if you could able to make the rough, that will be the ideas. Here you are writing the ideas. Whatever the idea, you give its number 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you may not give the number, but this is the way idea is collected. So make a rough. Then you arrange it. Give it number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Arrangement of ideas is very important. So, then you start writing. After the arrangement, you take the pen and start writing. Okay? So, start drafting, that is writing. Then, editing. Editing is what? What are the things that may be corrected? Dear friends, I suppose 60 to 70% of the mistakes can be corrected easily when editing is done. Editing means what? You try to read what are the things that you have written. Read the content, and when you read that content, obviously that those grammatical mistakes, those mistakes in spelling and many more may be observed. So editing, after that, revision. The last thing that you can do, revise your article. Dear friend, make a habit to revise your article. If you could not revise your article, then you will never be a very successful writer. Here you see, coder, C-O-D-E-R. Here you see, coder. Collect your idea, organize them, drafting, edit them, and revise them. This is the way you can put your writing in a proper way. Now come to the second step, that is KISS. Please note down. Coder, C-O-D-E-R, C for collect the ideas, O for organize them, D for drafting, E for editing, and R for revision. Now come to KISS, the second step. Now come to the second step. Yes. Coddle and kiss. Kiss is very important. Keep it. K for keep. Keep it. Keep. I for it. Simple and short. Either short or simple. Short and simple. Here you see. Here you could see. Keep it short and simple. Your article should be short and simple. Use only simple language. You are in class 9th or 10th. You are not required to write those things which is not under your control. Try to write your ideas in a very simple sentence, in a very simple way. What is the simple over here? Simple means what? Simple sentence. Simple sentences. Simple means simple sentences. What are the simple sentences? A simple sentence is that sentence, subject plus verb, subject plus verb plus object. That is the simple sentence. That is the simple subject. What is the simple subject? That is subject, that is verb and object, or the complement. That is the thing that you need to follow. Single subject, single verb. Single subject, single verb. So, if you could follow those steps, that is doubt. I suppose, my dear friend, you will be easily able to write an effective article. Now, come to the format. I am trying how it should be put in on the paper while you are taking the examination. How you could put it on the paper. Please look at it. The very first thing, that draw a margin. Draw a margin. Remember, my dear friend, that for writing you are required to take fresh page. Take a fresh page. Draw a margin. This is the page. This is the page of your notebook. This is the margin. This is the margin. And that is the top page. You should not write above it. Here you write the topic. Here you write the topic. The topic is what? Any topic. The topic is impact of technology. This is where you write the heading in a beautiful way or in an arranged way. That is what you are required. So, here in the very beginning, you write the topic. Now come to this is the title. Now come to the first paragraph. That is what? Introduction. How you will begin? Now, the impact of formulate impact of technology CHONOLOGY impact of technology could can be easy by में बताते हैं LY easily can be easily foreseen देखा जा सकता है, पहले से ही हम लोग देख सकते हैं. कैन बी इजली सीन या foreseen in the present condition. Very simple. Or you may start in the present condition, impact of the technology can be easily felt. You may start in that way also. This is the first beginning. Second beginning you can start in that way also. I am giving some beginnings that you can follow or you may be doing. The present millennium, the present education system present education system has forced us to use technology, technology. Okay, here you see, present education system has forced us to use technology due to lockdown. Here you can see. Either you may start this way or this way. The present education system has forced us to use technology due to lockdown. As you could see, that year 2020 and 21 was the year of watershed, and we are required to engage online classes. So here, due to the lockdown, online classes, that is use of technology, we are forced, because it is well proven fact that live classes, in live interaction, cannot be replaced by online classes. Online classes are effective. It is more effective than the regular classes, because here a lot of preparation and technology, a lot of preparation is done, and use of electronic device make it more impactful. Around 20% of the people who are using technology are in opinion that use of technology has enhanced their quality. Now, I am one of those who believe that technology has made us more advanced. We have easily learned to use technology, and at the same time, we have learned it to share a lot of things. Screen sharing was possible due to the use of technology. So, this is what you can write into the introduction. Well, my dear friend, if you have any problem, you may ask. I am here to ask your problem. Please ask.